welcome back to my channel, and in today's class we'll learn about waterfall charts. Waterfall charts are widely used in data visualization. So what are waterfall charts? Waterfall charts helps in understanding the cumulative effect of positive and negative values. Whatever the increase or dip in the field we have, this can be represented using a waterfall chart. Let's see how we can make a waterfall chart. So these are the steps you need to follow to create a waterfall chart. Let me drag a field onto my sheet. Let's say my subcategories, and let us display sales for them. This is your first step. Your second step is to create a calculation on sum of sales. And what calculation you need to create? It is of your running totals. So go to sum of sales and create a table calculation, running totals. So this is done. You just want to see what is the increase or decrease in the field. So your next step is change the on this marks card, change this automatic to Gantt bar. Gantt bar will only show you the tips. Now what you want? Now you need to display. Now you need to fill these bars. What is your next step? Next step is drag your sales onto your size column. The next step is you have to reverse the direction of sales. How we can do that? Using a calculated field. You have to just write negative of, let's say, sales. Now instead of dragging sum of sales onto your size, drag reverse of sales onto your size. What you can see, the resultant is your waterfall chart. You can see what is the increase or what is the decrease in the sales. So this type of chart is known as waterfall chart. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And for more updates, you can visit our site tutorialslink.com. Thank you.